What's going on, everybody? We're with another video, and we're about to.
Okay, guys, I'm Dan. This is Chontelle.
And we are back with another video. Today, we got a snack crate.
Yeah, we opened it and we're disappointed this time.
Yeah. So the whole entire point of these snack crates is, to try foods from different countries. But this time, they gave us America.
Hey, for me it's like something new, I
But
guess.
you know what?
For me it's new in some ways. What's in it? Like, these are like weird stuff I've never seen.
I probably haven't tried some of these too, so.
I'm serious, like, I have never tried any of these things, what we're about to try.
Alright, here's some fun facts for you, okay?
About America?
Yeah. Oregon and New Jersey are the only states that you cannot pump your own gas at. Remember to tip your attendant kindly.
Yeah, that's what sucks about Jersey.
Yeah,
nobody tips though, I don't know.
Yeah. Beef jerky, one of the most popular road trip snacks in the U.S., was first created by the Native Americans.
You know what, I'm tired, let's just eat.
Okay. Now what?
Pull out something. Crab chips.
Route 11. I've never seen this before.
Apparently it's from Virginia.
Oh yeah?
Virginia, like. I mean, I guess because in the U.S. every state is. In the U.S. every state is like a country. Very, very salty.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna die. How much sodium is in this? Like, I would definitely crush these and then use them like on breaded chicken. They're really good. Ooh, I know this one. This is So New Jersey and New York. Black and whites. It's a soft cookie.
Sounds weird.
It's good. Delicious. You got half chocolate, half vanilla.
I've had a similar type of cookie.
Yeah?
Before. It says it's from New York.
New York, New Jersey, yeah.
Yeah, don't try to steal credit, so. Creole pralines.
Louisiana.
Buttery caramel and crunchy pecan. Bite into it, but don't leave your teeth in it.
Broke off easily. Pretty good. I like it, actually.
Really good.
Yeah.
New Orleans.
Louisiana.
Would make me move to New Orleans.
Yeah. Idaho. Idaho Spuds.
Chocolatey flavor infused with coconut flakes.
Let's test it out.
Ooh, that's good. I know what that is. That's like the coconut balls, except in a bar shape.
Oh my, it's fluffy. It's like marshmallowy on the inside. I was not expecting that texture. It's good though.
Elk jerky.
Elk jerky? Never had elk before.
You never had elk?
Guess we're gonna find out today. That's a weird texture. It's like a dried hot dog.
Trace the elk in too. Everything's very salty in this American box.
I wonder why most of us have heartburn, diabetes, or hypertension.
Yeah.
Gugu Clusters.
Ooey gooey candy cluster from Tennessee. Filled with caramel, peanuts, and marshmallow. Coated with chocolate. Caramel, marshmallow. I guess marshmallow is like really American.
Yeah?
I think like doesn't marshmallow like come from America?
I'm not too sure. Actually.
Tastes like a Snickers bar. Let's keep going with the jerky. Apparently we got some dried tuna here from Hawaii.
Dried tuna?
Yeah, Hawaiian tuna jerky.
Oh my gosh.
Smells like tuna.
The smell of the fish is real. I've never had dried seafood before. This is the first. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. You can taste all the flavors of the tuna.
Yeah, me neither. I never had like fish like dried meat.
Wow. If you like seafood, definitely get that.
Probably not cheap though.
Yeah. Marsha's homemade Buckeyes.
Buckeyes. They might literally resemble Buck's eye, but these chocolatey peanut butter balls are from Ohio.
Ohio.
Nah.
A lot of peanut butter.
I'd rather have peanut butter cups than these.
Nothing about this stands out too much.
Yeah. Whatever this is.
Better made.
Barbecue flavored potato chips.
Where they from, Dad? Where they from?
From America. Well, these are just
state?
they're barbecue flavored chips, babe. Michigan. I don't think there's anything special in this.
They just look like a little bit like you get that little spice, a little kick, that tiny little kick, but that's about it.
You don't really taste any barbecue sauce on those.
Cactus Candy.
Let me guess. It's from Arizona.
Mm-hmm.
Small jelly gummies. From real prickly pear cactus.
From a real cactus.
They're small, tangy, and sweet.
Ooh. Give you one piece. We're gonna try cactus today.
Tastes like a lemon, except not, as bitter.
It has like a citrus taste, kind of like an orange.
Abazaba.
Abazaba?
Abazaba.
Father what?
Chewy Taffy with peanut butter center. That's from California.
California. Mm. Mm. Mm.
And taste the peanut butter.
It's hard to chew. Oh, the peanut butter's in the middle. Actually, I got some peanut butter. It's very faint, but I'm not a fan of taffy to begin with because it gets stuck in my teeth too easily.
That was pretty disappointing there.
Mm-hmm.
California one.
Last one. Ale 8 from
Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Ginger ale from Kentucky.
Is it better than Schweppes? We're about to find out.
Canada Dry is the best one.
I feel like it's like watered down a bit.
I still think
it tastes more like a soda than a ginger ale.
ginger ale is a soda.
No, it's not.
Guys, fact check me. Ginger ale is a soda.
No, ginger ale is ginger ale. Like, I don't drink soda, but I'll drink some ginger ale. What?
You buy.
Why?
Canada Dry.
You drink ginger ale when you have like an upset stomach or something, Not soda.
You can drink Coke.
No.
Right? Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You drink ginger ale when you have an upset stomach.
Ginger ale is a soda. And I think Canada Dry is better than this one.
So what you think about this snack crate, Dan?
I think it's tied between tuna jerky and this one.
Oh, the praline.
Yeah, at least for me. I know what you think.
Yeah, these are good. And I like black and whites to begin
From
with.
New York? I'm kidding.
This guy, man. This guy. But yeah. But I do like these. You're right, the tuna jerky is really good. And it's different. I don't even think we sell these in the store here.
Yeah. Guys, comment what's your favorite American snack?
Yes. And if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell so you guys will be notified when we post next. And comment down below what you guys would like to see us post next. And once again, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for the support. And I wonder what is the best American snack. Like out of all the snacks.
Out of all snacks.
Yeah. What's your favorite? And guys, see you next time. Peace.